The magic of the solar system. The solar system is a wonderful and mysterious part of our universe, full of planets, moons, and stars that work together in harmony. At the center of the solar system is the Sun, a giant ball of hot gas that gives light and heat to all the planets. Without the Sun, there would be no life on Earth because everything depends on its energy. The Sun's gravity keeps all the planets moving around it in a perfect balance. Scientists believe that our solar system formed more than 4 billion years ago from a cloud of dust and gas. Every planet has a different size, color, and atmosphere, making the solar system a truly magical place. The solar system has 8 planets, and each one is unique in its own way. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun, while Venus is very hot and covered with thick clouds. Earth is the only planet known to have life, with air, water, and land that support millions of living creatures. Mars, called the Red Planet, is cold and dusty, but scientists think it may have had water long ago. Jupiter is the biggest planet, with many moons and powerful storms that last for years. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock that make it shine in the night sky. Beyond Saturn, there are 2 more giant planets, Uranus and Neptune, that are made mostly of gas and are very far from the Sun. Uranus is special because it rotates on its side, unlike all the other planets. Neptune is a deep blue planet with strong winds and storms that move faster than any on Earth. These distant worlds are cold and dark, but they help scientists understand how the solar system works. Astronomers use telescopes and space probes to study them and learn more about their mysteries. Even though we cannot visit them easily, we can see their magic through pictures and data sent from space. The solar system is always changing and teaching us new things about space and life. Every year, new discoveries are made about planets, moons, and asteroids. Some scientists believe there may be another planet beyond Neptune waiting to be found. Our curiosity pushes us to explore more and dream about traveling to other worlds someday. The solar system reminds us how small we are, but also how special our planet is. By studying the stars and planets, we learn more about our past, our future, and the beauty of the universe around us. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.